Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you've seen on the title, I'm going to show you step by step of how you can use Windows Movie Maker 2020. I'm also going to show you the elements and feature you can use there. Now, let's get started. So if you're wondering what does this software looks like, it looks like this. Now I'm going to open the Windows Movie Maker. After you open the Windows Movie Maker, this box will appear on your screen. It is the step-by-step guide of how you can import images, videos, do some trimmings, and others. Next, I'm going to show you the timeline, program, and source. If you see my cursor is circling the timeline. Timeline is basically where you edit your video. As you can see, there are places where you can put your audios, transitions, your main media, and others. And everything in the timeline will appear here. This is called the program. Here, you will see the video that you created. Lastly, this is what we call source. Source is where you will see your videos, effects, or musics that you import. So those are just some basic things that you have to know when you want to edit in a software like this Movie Maker. So the first step when you want to edit a video is to import your clip or your media that you want to edit. You can scroll down and click the plus button, and it will bring you to your folder. Now, you'll choose which clip you want to edit. Then, you put that clip to the timeline by just simply dragging it. For the trimming part, the first step I do is to go through the clip, and by that, I can see which part of the clip that I don't like and I want to delete it. And that's what it's called, the trimming. So for example, by tapping on the clip and drag the white thing into the part that you don't want, and then you click the scissor tool. Then, your clip will be cut into 2 segments. After that, you go to the ending of the part that you don't like, then click the scissor tool again. And there, the result now is, your video is split into 3 segments. And finally, you can delete the part that you don't want by clicking the delete button on your keyboard. And there you go, your video is trimmed. The next feature I want to talk about is layering and cropping. We're gonna go to layering first. So for example, you want to have a video playing on top of another video. By just simply dragging the clip on top of the other video, then you're good to go. But make sure to put that clip on the PIP so that it can be layered on top of each other. And you can always resize that clip and move it to wherever you want. Now, let's talk about cropping. For example, I want to resize that clip. I can do that by clicking the crop tool. From that tool, you can crop a video or even image, and you can resize it to whatever ratio you want. The fourth is about transition. As you can see, I have 2 clips, aka 2 segments in the timeline, and I need a transition between that. So you see, there's this transition button, and there are over 90 transitions to choose. You can choose the best transition for a clip. And if you scroll down the timeline, you can see the transition icon. That is basically where you put the transition. So you basically drag and put it between the two clips. You can always adjust the duration, and the result is your video between two segments becomes smoother. Alright, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I am going to make a part 2 of this tutorial, and I'm going to explain the features that I didn't include in this video. So make sure you stay tuned, click that subscribe button so you'll get notification once I uploaded the part 2. Bye!